Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel 100 Ideas.
What materials can be used for decorative fencing? In order to complement the idea of landscape design and conceptual design in a beautiful and original way, you can use structures made of different materials on the side. Concrete and brick, natural and artificial stone, metal and wood, improvised and consumables are suitable for the manufacture of fences. Wood and wood materials. A small fence made of decorative wood may differ in the width and location of wooden slats. Horizontal and vertical or diagonal designs look very attractive and can be used to decorate a garden or green spaces, to fence playgrounds. Concrete, brick and stone. The most stable and outwardly attractive decorative concrete fences look quite original and refined on the side. For brick and stone fences, monumental structures should be avoided, which can overload the overall composition, so fences are selected with partial viewing. Low and strong enough structures are characterized by high decorativeness and ease of care. They are used for the substantive division of the site into certain zones. Metal forged bars. Using decorative fence posts made of different materials, they can be combined with other structural elements. Forged fences have high practicality and optimal decorativeness, but when children and animals are on the side, it is necessary to worry about the absence of sharp corners. Improvised materials. A simple and original flower bed fence can be made from plastic bottles and PVC pipe scraps using unusual sketches. For their decoration, you can use painting methods and other materials such as twine. Fences with decorative ornaments and additional decoration look beautiful. Mesh, welded and chain link. Fencing structures made of mesh are perfect for planting climbing plants and forming hedges. Grapes and climbing roses, cucumbers and even melons are actively used for the design of such structures, becoming green fences, but for grid fences, the arrangement of supports is necessary.
How do you look at these awesome ideas? We would love to hear from you. Forged fences at all times were considered one of the most reliable ways to protect homes and adjacent areas. In addition, such fences are a luxurious and rather expensive addition to private property, perfectly fitting into any landscape design. Many design variations make it possible to choose a structure for any type and style of construction. Advantages and disadvantages of forged fences. To appreciate the versatility of forged fences, it is worth considering in detail their advantages. Since the main function of the fence is to protect the site, it is worth noting that forged structures cope with it perfectly. The strength characteristics of the material exclude the possibility of vandalism, arson, and other types of damage. Especially relevant in terms of protection are fences with pointed tips, which, by their very appearance, relieve an uninvited guest from the desire to illegally enter the territory. The next advantage of forged fences can be safely called their durability, inherent in all metal structures. The duration of their operation with proper care, application of protective compounds against corrosion, is calculated for centuries. Excellent aesthetic qualities are a factor that often becomes decisive for owners who decide to install a fence. Forging will adequately emphasize a high status dwelling and gracefully beat the local processions. Another advantage is the ability to purchase a model to your liking. There is a wide range of ready-made forged structures on sale, and if you make a handmade product to order, you can get an original fence with an exclusive design. The disadvantage of structures made by forging is their high cost, especially for individual products. But this problem can be solved by buying a ready-made model, or by combining forging with other materials, polycarbonate sheets, a high foundation, etc. Types of forged fences. In the process of manufacturing forged barriers, various technologies are used, some of which are quite complex, while others are relatively simple. Depending on the method by which the structure was made, its final cost will vary. There are such types as welded, the simplest and most inexpensive models, where different elements are fastened by welding. Of course, you cannot call them objects of art, but they will perfectly cope with the protective function. Manufactured by the method of artistic forging. The metal is heated under the influence of high temperatures, and then the required shape is knocked out of it. This is a very painstaking work, so the price of such barriers is quite high. Combined. Combine the features of the two previous types. When finished, forged elements are joined by welding. This type has the greatest demand, as it is the best example of a combination of price, aesthetics, and quality. Each of the considered categories has a number of models, differing in design, material combination, sizes, and shapes. The choice of one or another type of forged fence depends mainly on the personal preferences of the owners of private estates and financial capabilities. Forged fence design. There are many ways to build wrought iron fences. Some people prefer to leave them in a natural design, while others are more comfortable if the fence has protection from prying eyes in the form of shields made of polycarbonate, corrugated board, and other materials. Forged barriers look very beautiful in combination with the same design of windows, railings, balconies of the main buildings. As for the color palette, owners tend to darker tones. For example, black evokes many associations with elegant luxury. However, light colors also have a right to exist. Various decorative design elements help to diversify the design. You can often find metal flowers, whimsical curls, branchy vines over the vineyard, and other decorations that can breathe life into the yearning iron structures. Design ideas for forged fences. Forged fences have many interruptions. They're combined with other materials, improved and adding additional functions, decorate, turning them into the most beautiful fences. Next, we will present a number of modern design ideas for wrought iron hedges that we hope you enjoy. Making a blind forged fence. There is a completely justified opinion that the wrought iron fence does not provide adequate sound insulation and leaves the entire adjoining territory in public display. This is true, but there are options to help fix these problems. For example, forged elements can be easily combined with polycarbonate plates or corrugated board. The advantage of these materials is their strength characteristics, thanks to which they are also used for decorating roofs, bastions, etc. They have rich color solutions, among which you can choose a palette that matches the finishing materials of buildings. Canvases with imitation of brick or natural wood look beautiful, which are perfectly combined with graceful forging. And most importantly, such a design will allow you to hide the backyard area from prying eyes, noise, without creating cumbersomeness. Fence made of stone with forged patterns. Stone fences are considered the most reliable and durable structures. However, their bulkiness often becomes the reason for refusal of such design. It is quite another matter when forged patterns are used, bringing grace and lightness to the design. There are various variations of these fences. If the owners feel more comfortable in a closed area, you can decorate a high base with the stone, which will be crowned with open work forging. Another option involves the execution of stone pillars, united by a metal structure. In any case, the fence will look solid and graceful. Since natural stone is quite an expensive material, you can replace it with brick, which will also make a good match with graceful forging. Moreover, the brick has many varieties. It is better to select an option that will match the cladding of the house. We hope this video was useful to you. Like it, write your comments and subscribe to our channel.